gonna do? I wanna
Alright,
know.
wait, no, stay over here, stay here. Over here?
Stay here.
Over here, over here. When I tell you to come out, come
Do
out.
I face you?
No, stay there.
Do you want me to
and
crouch?
Yeah, and then just come out. Alright, ready? I'm gonna start in 3, 2.
Wait, but like, what's my cue to come out?
Presenting bird, and then come out.
Ew, okay.
3, 2, 1. Hello.
Hi. Away we go.
Yay. Alright, we are starting.
On one of the no wool challenge.
No.
We need to do that as a video though.
Okay, well, as you saw in the very
Okay,
quick
good
intro,
video.
this is Bird. Say hi.
Yeah. This is Mr. Dakuniko that is finally recording with me for once in a lifetime.
Yes, my schedule is non-existent.
Whack. We're already being rushed by Ping, by the way.
Don't worry, I've gotten very much practice. That was very proper grammar.
Killed them.
We're coming.
They've already got a wood defense. I'm in the void.
I'm so good
We're
at the
dead.
game.
I know, right? Aren't we both just like amazing?
Yeah, we're amazing. As you could see in our very 2 past videos. Well, he has 3, I have 1.
Because he's bad at content.
I'm not bad at content. You
How
don't know
we-
to put your videos in 10
Oh.
minutes.
Why did he place it?
Well, that's our bed gone.
Yay, round 1. This is why I can't play with Dakuniko, because he's bad.
You're mean. No, no.
I'm being backstabbed. I'm dead.
Oh, we did it.
Time consecutively.
Mhm.
I'm just gonna 8 rush because I feel like it.
Got it.
My block sounds like cut out for a minute there.
Yes.
Something tells me they're gonna get wood and or endstone. So if you want to just like,
I'm gonna get a
oh, no, they
knockback
just got
stick.
wood. I took out yellow team. You're welcome.
Oh. Okay. I'm gonna go get Emmys.
Yeah, you do that. For this, or 8 seconds for this diamond. 'Cause
I
want
accidentally block
sharpness.
clutched.
You accidentally block clutched.
Yeah, like I was about to fall and I was like,
Great job.
and I was like just panicking.
That's a clip you can use.
Yep.
Okay, we got sharpness. You're welcome.
Thank you.
I gonna go after Aqua. Well, I would if I had iron. Are you at our base yet?
No.
Did you go to our base? No? Okay, good. I'm just gonna go steal the generator. If you don't mind.
Yeah, that's fine.
For 8.
Okay, I'll go get obsidian then.
Yes, you go get
Oh, it's only
obsidian.
4.
Well, yeah. But it's 4 for 4.
I do
4
like
emerald
Wendy's.
for 4 pieces. You like Wendy's?
Yeah, you said it was a
Wendy's.
4 for 4.
I don't go to Wendy's.
Wait, what?
I don't eat Wendy's.
Why not?
Question, do you like Whataburger?
I do like
This matters,
Whataburger.
people. What? Do you like Chick-fil-A?
I do like Chick-fil-A.
Disgusting.
Why?
I took care of Aqua, by the way.
Why
I don't know, I
disgusting?
just don't like it, personally.
Hmm.
Probably gonna get hate for that, but whatever.
How are you a
You can't.
Texan?
Good question.
I'm like, that's like.
Arby's, we have the
Wait, so
beast.
you like Orbeez?
No, I hate Arby's.
Okay, you're weird. I'm kidding. You're only weird for being a Texan and not liking it.
Oh, okay. I fell
Oh, cool.
and lost my iron sword.
Not Pog.
Not Pog. See, nobody that even watches your video will remember the amazing line that
You're recording me?
that happened.
Pog. What was that? Wait, do you have a voice changer?
No. I
Wait,
can just
what was-
willingly bend my voice.
But that sounded so like a machine.
Pog.
Oh shoot! Oh shoot! Oh shoot! I'm gone. I'm gone.
I'll take that as you're dying.
I can't. Oh. Nothing's happening.
Sure.
Gray, gray, gray.
I just destroyed white team.
Gray's going the yellow. Blue's at our base.
Cool. Blue's at our base.
Yes, come here.
I'm kind of fighting white
Kamikaze.
right now.
Kamikaze right now.
I'm kind of fighting white right now.
No, not an excuse.
I killed one of them, but I died, so.
Dang it, he has a KD stick. Not a KD. What?
KB stick, not KD. Who's KD?
It's a KD on accident. Oh. Blue's on the roof.
Bro, I hit him like 20 times
Blue's on
and
the
he
roof.
didn't take. I got particles, but
Blue's
I
on
didn't
the
hit
roof.
him. I heard you.
Blue's on the roof. Come down here, Blue.
Alright, you distract him. I'm gonna go up.
Okay. Ow. Rude. He has my Emmys.
Oh, that's not good.
He needs to give back my Emmys.
Got him.
Can I have my Emmys back?
You buy the obsidian.
I did buy the obsidian. Can I please get my Emmys back?
Did you place it?
I did place it.
Oh, fuck.
That's what
There you
saved
go.
us.
There's your emeralds. Hog. There's your emeralds, by the way. I won't take
Thank
those.
you.
Blue's coming, or gray's coming, sorry. Blue's, yeah, gray. He's on the way over. Can you do something about that?
Yeah.
I just walked off.
Okay.
It didn't jump. Oh my god, we're being like teamed on by everybody.
Don't worry, I got him.
Nice.
I was invis.
Oh yes, you are invis, nice. Great way to use an invis potion.
It was either Gray gets our bed or I used the invis potion.
Does Gray know about our obsidian?
I don't think so. I think he does though.
Oh, now everybody knows. I died. White's kind of coming for us. Could you get back to the base?
I'm here.
You are here.
One moment.
Why do you need a moment? I don't like moments.
Not Emmys.
I got it.
Dies. Oh, nice. Well, I'm about to go kill him then.
Okay, I killed one. I killed one of them. There's only one guy left.
Where are they?
I don't know.
Oh, I see him. I see him.
You can kill him. That'd be great.
Okay. Oh shoot.
Did you get destroyed? Do I need a void?
It's just that.
Oh, I walked off. Okay.
It's fine. He's
Well,
over here.
I block trapped myself. I do that quite often. Okay, hi. I'm at the base.
Up,
Where is
up,
he at?
Up.
Can I have those diamonds or emeralds?
I already
please?
used them.
Oh my. Of course.
Don't worry,
It's fine.
I used them for a good cause.
What? Invis?
Yes.
Where? Where is he?
Do you not see him?
No.
He's
No.
up.
Oh, he's up. Oh.
He thinks he's...
Oh. Oh. He's dead.
We won!
Let's go. GG.
Yay!
Good game.
Yay! I did it. All by myself.
We did it.
Who's we? We.
I did most of the work.
Yeah.
You didn't even hit him off. He jumped off.
Hello. Welcome to my end card. It's not really the end card, but, you know, there's, something behind me. I'm not sure what that is, but it's something. Hello there! I'm trying to do an intro, please.
Here, do this. Players visible.
Huh? That's
Like
fine.
the green die.
It's fine, it's funnier this way.
Go. Oh, he turned us off. He can't see us.
And I'm gonna run down this thing and I have to tell you every information you need to know. So,
Wait, can we restart that?
yes. 3, 2, welcome to my end card. It's not really the end card, but you know.
Can we restart that?
No, it's perfect. Alright, goodbye.
One more came in my room.
Goodbye.
You didn't even do the whole outro stuff.
Wait, I can't get back up.
Yeah, because you can't fly, nerd.
Okay, I have to restart that again.
Oh. Wait, which side are you doing it from? Can you see me from here?
Where are you? Where are you? Where are you?
I'm gonna drop in front of you.
Alright, 1, 3, 8.
Oh, make sure you can't see me, by the way.
Okay, 3, 2.
No, don't look straight up.
No,
Look,
I'm in
like,
third
out.
person. I can't see you.
I know, but like look outward. But like, because you can't see me from there, can you?
No.
Okay, good. Oh, start.
2, 1. Welcome to the outro.
Outro.
That's perfect. Alright, so I have to run down this whole thing and tell you everything you need to know. Every music used in this video is in the description. Also, join my Discord server, which is already in the description. Alright, I did that before it fell down. Blackness.
Outro.